Hey there, students. This is Casey Lawrence, one of the current administrators at East Coast Christian University, and today I want to show you how to upload a video assignment. So you've seen before how to upload an essay or paper assignment, but there'll be a few classes where you get to give a fun presentation or talk about something you've learned, and if you missed that class in person or you're taking it online, then you need to know how to be able to upload a video to CampusSis. So I'm going to first head to the class that we're in for this instructional video today. If I open up this class like normal and click on presentation, you can see here that there is an essay. And if I were to upload a video right now, just straight from my computer, if I had done a video presentation myself and then uploaded it, it would be a huge monster file that would take forever to upload and may not even get through all the way depending on your internet connection. So here's the best way around that to make sure your instructor absolutely gets your video and so it's simple for you. If you go to YouTube instead, and if you don't have a YouTube channel, then you can set up one quickly. What you're going to want to do is you're going to upload your assignment video to your personal YouTube channel. Don't worry about everybody seeing your presentation. There's ways to do it so that way no one sees it and it's just for you and just for your instructor. So you can do it from your channel, or I would recommend clicking this icon and go to YouTube Studio Beta. What that is just the studio backend. That way if you need to fix anything with your video, everything is available in front of you and you don't have to find it later. So I'm going to go over here and click on videos. This is where you'd be able to see your full video library of anything that you've uploaded. So to upload a video, you're going to click on this icon up here, and you would click on Upload a Video. It would take you to this page right in front of you where you can either drag and drop the video or you can search for it in your computer. Right here, this is the privacy that you can choose before you upload your video. You want to have it set to unlisted for this particular assignment. The reason is that if it's public, anybody can see your video and you probably don't want that. If you make it private, however, your instructor won't be able to view it after you upload it. Unlisted is the beautiful hybrid of both. Unlisted is technically a public video, but it's unsearchable. So nobody can find this video except you, and when you upload it, your instructor will still be able to view it. So going back to that page, once it's done, once your video is done uploading, it will show up here inside your channel. You'll be able to watch it, and if you're satisfied with what you see, then you're going to click on your options and click Get Shareable Link. It's going to copy this link to your clipboard. Next, you're just going to open up a simple Word document like I have here. I'll repeat the process for you so you can see. I simply copy and paste the link. Now sometimes it pastes like this. This is just straight text, and your instructor can kind of use it, but it's not as convenient. So if you highlight that text of the link and you come down and click Hyperlink, at the bottom you can make sure that the address is the same, or you can just paste it again and click OK. Now the text is turned blue, and if you highlight it, it gives you an option to click and follow. You can always test it by clicking Control first, holding down Control on your keyboard, and then clicking the link. If you can see that the link is working, that the video is playing, then you know that you're good to go. You'll save your Word document and name it as your link to the video assignment, and then you'll head back to CampusSis. So now when you hit Upload Document, we're going to browse our computer, go find our document, which was our video assignment right here, and open it. We'll refresh the page, and now all you did was you uploaded a document with a link, which is much smaller, uploads no problem, and now your instructor doesn't even have to download your video. Now your instructor can just click on this document, click on the link, and watch the video from YouTube. It's easier for you, it's easier for them, and all around everybody wins. Hope that was helpful, and I hope you all have a great day.